9 divided by 9 over 4 times 8. 4 into here 1, 4 into 8 2. Then we have 9 divided by 9 times 2. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. Then we have 1 times 2. 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 is the wrong answer to this question because we would not work with the order of operation. According to the operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are to work from our left to our right, which is we are going to solve our division first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 9 divided by 9 over 4 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 9, change division to multiplication, then flip 9 over 4 to 4 over 9. Bring down our 8 here. Now we are going to simplify. 9 into itself will give us 1. 9 into here will give us 1. Then we are left with 4 times 8. 4 times 8 will give us 32. 32 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.